Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys are good. I hope everything's fine, and check this out. So we're in our beautiful hostel project and look at all the different beautiful things that we have done. So make sure you check videos out for all of them, and there are like tens and hundreds of different things that you can learn. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 different things that 6 different designs, and believe it or not, this is a curtain wall, by the way. Alright, so and these are curtain walls too, so make sure you check videos out for all of them. Today we are going to be making it's a very short and an easy video. We're going to be making a beautiful you could say a dome sort of a structure, and it's sort of a pavilion, sort of a dome. I think both of them, you can call it both, and let's try to quickly make it. So let's click on this point right here, and let's click on the line. Let's go to create form, and this is our actual circle. All right, so this is our actual circle. We just made it. After that, let's click on tab right here, and let's go for minus 180. And yes, so this is half a dome now. Okay, so we have okay, what, it didn't get eliminated? Minus 180. I just pressed enter. Okay, this one, let's change this to 180 and let's see what happens. Okay, now the bottom part went away. Okay, so the bottom one has to be 180. Now that's just perfect. So these can be the two, you could say, the openings on this side and on that side. Let's go to the divide surface, and let's click on this point right here. Let's go to the pattern, and I think we are going to be using you could say a triangle bent. Okay, and in order to import the family, let's go to new, let's go to curtain pattern based, and let's go to this point right here, and let's change the size of this to say fixed distance. So it's going to be 1000, and this distance right here is again going to be 1000. Let's press OK. Yes, and this is it. Alright, let's go back to our main form, and this is the one. So let's click on this point right here. Let's click on this point right here. Let's go to the bent. Let's press UN right here. Let's change this to meters. Let's go to 2 decimal places. Okay, let's click on that. Let's go for 1 by 1, and perfect. And let's go to the reference. Let's go to the lines. Let's activate 3D snap, and let's snap this to this. Let's go to the modifier. Let's go to the points. Let's paste on face, and let's paste it right here, and let's go to the modifier again. Let's click on this point right here. Let's change the host of this to level 1, and let's now change you could say the vertical offset into a parameter. So this is going to be the OFFSET, and okay, and click on this point right here, and I don't know what offset you want to give it. For example, 1.2 meters. Let's press OK, and okay, so it went 1.2 meters upwards. Let's go to a reference. Let's go to a line. Let's activate 3D. This is going to be the 1 and the 2 and 3. Perfect. And 1 right here, and 1 right here. Perfect. Now let's click on this point. Let's click on this point. Let's click on this point. Let's click on this. Let's go to this. Let's give it an offset of in fact, you know what, let's go back, and let's try to make things easier. Why am I even giving an offset? Let's click on this, and let's simply go for the plain one, and let's click on this. Let's click on this. Let's click on this. Let's simply go for the plain one. Let's click on this. Let's click on this. Let's click on that, and let's simply go for the plain one, and let's go to tab right here for the materials. I think I'm gonna go for red, and okay, this one looks nice. So red, and for this one right here, what should we do for this one? So tab right here, I don't know, let's go for GLASS for some beautiful glass. Okay, let's go for this one, glass right here. Let's press OK, and for this final material, what should we choose? So let's go to the materials right here, and I don't know, guys, chrome, CHROME. So it's going to be a very big mixture. Let's press OK, and this is it, guys. Our completely parametric family is already made, and this is a glass. Alright, don't get confused with that. For the offset, I think 0.8 meters, it's fine, because this kind of looks very big. Let's press OK, and it would go downward. So it's completely parametric, and now let's just simply load it into the project. So this is what we have. Let's go to this, and let's try to load in our family 8, and this is it, guys. So look at how nice and beautiful everything looks. Alright, and it is going inward. So let's try to flip the component outwards. Yes, and it is complete. Alright, so look at how beautiful our dome is. So this is the geometric dome inside Revit within minutes, and let's go to our massing inside. let's turn off this, and this is it. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned so many different new things from this. And there's a blue material here, there's a glass here, although the blue does not look properly, but there's a glass material right here, right? So but anyways, I think you can change the materials by yourself. But so that would be it, right, for today. Have a good day, take care of yourself, and bye bye.